Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain again how to schedule a batch file to run automatically in Windows 11. Scheduling a batch file saves you hours of repetitive work and makes tasks more reliable, such as backups, automated maintenance, running applications, or opening a website at a specific time. So I'll show you a simple example of a batch file and learn how to run it automatically by scheduling it to open at specific times. This simple batch file opens the Chrome browser and then opens the Google search page. I'll then show you how to schedule it in the task scheduler to run daily without any intervention from you. In the search box on the taskbar, type Task Schedule, and from the search results, click the tool to open it. Then, on the right side, click Create Task. This is the recommended option for creating such tasks. It will open a window for you to set up and configure this task. Under General tab, write the task name. Let it be a descriptive name for the task to facilitate access to it at any time. At the bottom, select either Run Only when logged in or Run whether user is logged on or not. Here, select the appropriate option based on the task you want to run. The choice is up to you, depending on the nature of the task. If you select the second option, you will be prompted to enter your account password when saving. Then select the Run with Highest Privileges option if the script requires administrator privileges. This is a recommended option, so it's best to select this option to ensure the batch file runs without any restrictions. Then, click the Triggers tab, and at the bottom, click the New button. In this step, select Begin the task. Click the arrow to open the drop-down menu, and select the desired option. There are more than one option for running the task. Since I want to run the task daily, I'll select On a Schedule. From the settings, select the Daily option. Then set the start and repetition time according to the task you want, and according to what you see as appropriate for you. And then click the OK button. Next, click the Action tab and select the action you want based on your task. I'll select Start a Program. Then click the Browse button. Select the batch file you want to run and click the OK button. There are no additional conditions or settings to add. It's just a batch file that will be run, regardless of what it does. Now you can close all open windows and wait for the batch file to run at the time we specified. I'll simply display the time on the taskbar and wait until the specified time to run the batch file. The batch file will actually open at the time we specified while setting up this task. In this way, you can schedule any batch file to run to make your work easier. Scheduling tasks like this is a great way to automate repetitive actions and make your computer work for you. If you liked this video, click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell button so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.